Hi, this is Lorena from Ink and Lace, and this is the last part of the orchid design petal. So, like I said before, I used two Dever yarns embroidery flosses to create this leaf. So, keep in mind that a 5 inch of simple Romanian point lace cord, at least half a centimeter wide, is giving you by the end 1.5 inch petal of flower or leaf design. So that's where you can calculate how much thread you might need, or how large your design will be at the end. So this is the smallest petal for this design. Now this is a way smaller than the smallest here because that black cotton is thicker than the Dever yarns. You can do the bullions in all different sizes and colors. Just make sure that you hide the thread really well. See, it has a neat design at the back. The cream color thread is almost invisible actually into the cord, even though everything is hidden in the cord. So thanks for watching, and thank you for subscribing to Ink and Lace. If you have any question on this design or any other Romanian point lace design, please feel free to comment below, and thanks for subscribing. La revedere, vă pup!